My name is Rafi Khan. I'm the Chief Information Security Officer at New Jersey Transit. We are responsible for about 250 million riders per year. As a critical infrastructure, New Jersey Transit has to ensure that its systems, its data, any telemetry information, whether it's in transit or it's in storage, is safe and is secure. I like the analogy of the castle-and-moat. No matter how you cut it, it's defective. And here's where the defect is. The legacy approach of credentials and also trusting folks who are connecting to our systems doesn't work today. So that's one way to look at it, but we don't want our crown jewels to be infected or to be encrypted. So both east-west and north-south, we have to mitigate any malware transfer. The current approach of zero trust allows us to never trust and always verify. Castle-and-moat is always a static approach. Anything zero trust and all the tools that we have, they're all dynamic. They keep iterating towards what the situation is, and based on that, we benefit. Different components of Zscaler is helping us layer that defense along with other tools that we have. It's really benefiting the users and obviously the company where traffic is safe. If it's not a sanctioned destination, it'll be blocked. For the OT element of the business, the strategy is slightly different. There are more constraints to ensure that the data is encrypted, to ensure that whatever data is stored, is stored in the proper encryption. We've also evaluated Zscaler tools in terms of how does that tool become a traffic cop? How do we prevent data from exfiltrating through AI uploads? And how do we prevent our users from adding prompts that will exfiltrate company information? It creates an isolated browser, and folks are realizing that, hey, you cannot go to a platform that's not sanctioned. And if it's sanctioned, you cannot put data in. The other part of it is the honeypot and the sandboxing. When we implemented that about maybe 2 years ago, we've seen a reduction on alerts. So now we have basically containerized the malware and we can see how the bad guys are behaving. I think the days of static tools are numbered, if not gone. We need to have tools such as Zscaler that's dynamic, that provides us visibility and also provides us the ability to defend ourselves from malware, from bad actors trying to get into our systems.